Yo, I've been sitting here declining stuff for the past 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna accept this order. It's a stack, seize the bagel, $13, going just under 7 miles. There are 9 items, but I feel like they should be ready by the time I get there.
Auto accident, no one plans for it, and it always seems to happen at the worst time.
Oh man, I should have really checked the orders out. They have a ton of drinks, and one of them has the workplace special, which is 12 bagels. I'm probably unassigning this, to be honest. This is gonna take way too long. Yeah, we're just doing this Walmart order instead. It's a stack, $25 going like 3 miles.
5 for 130.
I had 2 orders.
I'm not seeing that in our system.
Got
We
it?
actually don't have that order, so he went ahead and canceled it on our side.
Please knock loudly. You got it. Alright, I took another Walmart order. Hopefully this wasn't a mistake. I believe this one said like 18 bucks going 3 miles. I mean, if this one's actually valid and I can complete it in a reasonable time period, should put me back on track. Now we wait. All right, they don't have my order.
115. All right, I got you checked in.
Gonna go ahead and say it now. Today might be an early day, because I don't know if my mental is prepared for this today. Next order up is a voodoo donut. It's like $12 going 7 miles.
What kind of camera do you wear? Are you from this area? This area is very specific to what we get, you know what I mean? It's
Oh,
kind
yeah.
of unique in a way.
Okay, I got both of those. Thank you. Just got an additional $7 and some change going like 3 miles.
There you are, friend.
Thank you. I'm giving Walmart yet another chance. They just keep coaxing me in with these high-paying orders. This one was like $16 for like 3 miles. Alright. Finally, we got a smooth one. Oh my god, it's making me scan everything? Are you kidding me? The barcode that I have, the only barcode that I have, is only scanning half of the items, and it won't let me skip the scan, so I don't even know where I can deliver it to. I tried reaching support twice now. Both of them told me that they cannot help me and that they are forwarding the issue to their email team. 0 emails have come in, so now I'm trying over the phone.
Alright, so punch likely here, your system generated transfer will be $5.
I'm gonna take this stacked order. It's a seize the bagel, and I think I have a small shop and deliver for Total Wine with it.
Destination is on the right.
Thank you. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Next up is an IHOP. $7 going 2 miles.
Still here.
Cheers, man.
Next up is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $12.75 going 6 miles, 4 items. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Gonna take a chance on this Wendy's. It's $12 going about 3 miles. Wendy's usually lets me down, so we'll see if today is anything different. Never mind on that. They had like 6 meals, which means 6 drinks. 1, it wouldn't be ready anytime soon. And 2, I'm not gonna get any spills on my car today. All right, I think I'm just gonna be calling it here, honestly. I've had enough for today. I'm gonna start heading over to somewhere that has food for me. Current time is 10:48. Current total is, I think, 87. I think there might be one Uber tip yet to come in. We'll say like 93, 94 for the day. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.